In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date filter in Looker Studio. By the end, you'll have an interactive date range control that lets anyone viewing your report quickly focus on the exact time frame they care about. First, head to Looker Studio. If you're used to the older name, this is the same place previously called Data Studio. From the reporting home, open the report you want to update. If you manage multiple reports, pick the one where a date filter will help viewers compare performance across different periods. Once your report is open, switch to Edit mode. You'll see the editing toolbar appear at the top of the page. If you don't see it, you might not have edit permissions for this report, so double-check access with the owner or open a version you can edit. Now, let's add the actual date filter. In the toolbar, click Add a Control. This menu contains interactive elements you can place on your page, and the one we want is called Date Range Control. Select it. A date range control acts as a global filter for the page, so viewers can choose a time frame and instantly update the charts and tables that use time-based data. Click and drag on the canvas to draw where you want the control to live. Place it in a consistent, easy-to-find spot. Top left or top center is common, so viewers know where to look on every page. You can resize it later if your layout needs a little breathing room. With the control on the page, click it to select the date range. This opens the date picker. Here you can choose a custom start date and end date for the filter. If you prefer presets like last 7 days or last 30 days, those are available too, but for now we'll set specific dates to show how it works. Pick your start date, pick your end date, and make sure the range covers the full period you want the charts to reflect. When you're happy with the selection, click Apply. Looker Studio will update the page to reflect that time frame. Any chart or table using a compatible date field will respond to the control. If something doesn't change, check that the visual isn't locked to its own fixed date range and that it's connected to a data source with a valid date field. That's it. You've added a clean, user-friendly date filter that makes exploring your data faster and more intuitive. Keep it visible, keep it consistent across pages, and your audience will always know exactly which period they're analyzing.